Colton, I'm making this video for you, but look. Granny and Grandpa are trapped. They're both trapped in the Iron Maiden room with this door lock. Now I'm going to escape. I'm probably going to post this on YouTube, actually. But I mostly made it for Colton. Okay, so I'll escape to the boat. So, wait, I think I seen the hand wheel. No, the boat steering wheel. It's over here. I just tried to find the door lock. Hopefully, you guys aren't mad at me for like... Wait, what? How'd they get out? Guys, how'd they get out? How did they get out? How did they get out? Get back in there. You're not supposed to be out. You're not allowed out. No, you're not allowed out, Granny. Ads suck. What do they have? And just tap to dunk. It's so easy. Could you hear me chewing this cereal? Question is, how did they get out? That they were supposed to be trapped forever, you guys. The door lock fell off? How? What was that on the floor over there? Oh yeah, the boat steering wheel. Guys. Now, let's watch them try to get out. Sure, it's like I'm down here with Gus. Let's watch Grandpa bust out. They can break out. And beating the game is going to be so well then. Watch, now they can't get in. You guys, there's literally nowhere for them to get in, right? That was the weirdest thing ever, you guys. They didn't leave me in the Iron Maiden room with myself. I'm back. Guys, we're gonna try the escape on the boat. Oh, Grandma's sleeping. It's perfect. Kinda did do a lot off cam, but not too much. I just found items, didn't really pick anything up but the door lock. Okay, just gonna drop it. And I'm just gonna go fill it up, and then it'll be done. Actually, yeah, that's a good idea. Fill it up. Wait, is the door lock in here? Okay. Okay, guys. Leave a thumbs up if you think this is gonna work. Oh yeah, by the way, I made a new system on my YouTube channel where if you subscribe and leave a comment saying you subscribed, then, and put your name, then I'll give you a shout out. Shout out to Ryder and Suche, by the way. Ryder said hi, guys. I'm looking at a piece of paper. Alarm! Alarm to get home. Actually, Colton, come here. Only green is going on there. Spring's actually live. No. No. Don't do it. Don't do it. What? The glitch didn't work? So guys, the last day. So all we need now, I have the boat keys. I just need the spark plug. I sadly don't know what that is. Bet you it could be here. Well, it could be. No. Wait, what's the? I've seen Granny play the piano, but I haven't seen her watch television yet. This is the boat key I put down there. No spark plug up there. We have to go away. Oh! Did it make a noise? Yeah, that made a noise. Granny. At least Grandma doesn't hear. If I looped around. Oh yeah. And guys, you know what my friends at school are always going, Gotti, don't know what it is. Tell me if if you know what it is in the comments and tell me what the freaking meaning is. Because until I know, I'm going to hate it. Kids at my school are always like, Gotti. Just walk up to me and scream, Gotti. Done. Bye, guys. Just kidding. It's a 2-in-1 special today. Granny to dying. Plus, cat game. Now, game, yeah, dog not included. Guys, now this game sounds dumb, but and it looks dumb. But it's so fun. The package. Please give me a cat. Kitty. Yes! Oh my god. I got your piggy kitty. So cute. You want tomato? I don't have a tomato. I have a golden apple. Do you want it? Wait, no. I have one golden apple and oh, I do have tomatoes. There you go. Wait, ooh, I want me to get this. So how do I get this? Yeah, I have to get that. Get it. Yep, it's been pinned, I think. Yeah, it's been pinned. Okay, guys. Which one? Let's look at down here. Tourist, lifeguard, and of course, floaty kitty. No, you want 2 of those, but I don't have those. Those are the chins. Wait. Oh, he's already fed a lot. And then I have any ones. Yep. Common. That's cool. Guys, we're gonna have to get a couch. No, I don't have enough money for the couch, you guys. So now I'm gonna go down to this lair. Why do I only have 2 cats here? One sec, what lair is this? Because I have 2 cats in this lair. Oh yeah, I beat this one. The Mega Unicorn Kitty is the end. You only... Wait, these do 2? Oh, they might do 2 to a different... to a special tiny cat. Guys, this takes literally 2 seconds to watch. He wants cat food. I mean, does everything? Bam. Wait, what? Oh, that's really. I'm looking at the bottom. Whatever. Oh, I don't even know what you get. I don't want that much of it actually. So we are going to show. What do I have to have again for this? Oh yeah, to craft some stuff. It's gonna take 2 seconds. So, hey Norman, no, 1 sec. I have to put my. Oh, the alarm, the second alarm.
All right.
And I have to put my cereal away.
Did you eat it?
Yeah. I have like 5 pieces left.
Wow.
Actually, like 20. Okay, guys. So we are going to craft. We're going to the bank, and no, not the bank. The bank sucks, you guys. We're going to go to the shop. Yeah, no. We're going to go to crafting and buy some of this stuff. Craft even more of it. I'm gonna craft a lot of it, you guys. And only 30 gems. No, I don't have enough gems. Wait, can I buy gems with some coins? No. Guys, something cool about this game. You don't have to buy coins with money. You buy them with gems. Wait, what? There's a coconut. There's a coconut. How much does it do? 2 hearts. That sucks. 1 heart. 1 heart. Oh yeah, but I've seen a lot of cats wanting these, so I'm just gonna spam on this. And then there's probably gonna be the beach cats wanting this, right? The beach and farm. So I got that. And then, so you guys. Oh, 30 cotton. That's a really good deal. So, guys, I want to show you my special. I don't really like this one. He's not that cute. It doesn't look like a cat. It's literally not a cat at all. This is what I call a cat. Or this. It's cat shaped, not stupid rabbits. I accidentally put 9 years old. I should have put 18, I know. I think hairless cats are cute. And if you don't, you're weird. Bam, bam. You can have that if you want, kitty cat. Bam, and we are going to go to the next game. I know this sounds crazy, but we're going to keep going through a bunch of games. Next is the Rodeo Stampede. Should we do Rodeo Stampede? Well, you guys should really check out this game, but it's starting to get boring for me because it related all my progress. It usually doesn't, but my mom's phone broke. So, actually, guys, so the next game will be, I'm recording a YouTube video. So, guys, Fortnite, no. Fortnite sucks now. Now, can I have some scrambled eggs if you have? And could I have some lemonade? I mean, pink lemonade?
You already have some?
No. Tank Stars, Duel Cowboy. Because we're going to play Roblox. So we've been playing a lot of games in this episode. It's the third game. I don't have a cop. I told you I didn't get any. So guys, what game should we play? I love that me so much on my grandma's computer. Why?
Huh?
Why? And I'm in the middle of a YouTube video, so. Mad City, why are you so down? Oh yeah, because. Why isn't it showing season 4? That's weird. It's supposed to be light time. Oh, we jailbreak. Jailbreak. Blah, blah, blah. Bite the Pet Simulator. Blah, blah, blah. Even more. Guys. Wait, why? This. Nah, guys. That word has been copied. Don't copy. Uh-oh. Guys, don't click that game. I don't know if you guys are still there. Don't click that game. Okay, so guys, this is going to be the end of the video. And